I'm sorry guys, we accidentally our stream was closed. So this was the trade we were in, and we are still in this trade. And remember, we had this trade, so we are in this trade, and we will be holding this trade till we get our SL or TP. Well, I have recovered my. I am above my break even now. That the loss I had got from the previous trade, that is covered now. And I'm sorry for this. Uh, uh, Kind of behavior from my side, and I will make sure that this doesn't happen again. But I didn't understand why this doesn't happen again. But I didn't understand why the streams suddenly. So here we are long on gold as our plan, and if you have any questions, you can just ask me. So we are seeing an impulse move to the upside. You can ask me the questions that you have. That now we are already at our above our break even, and sorry, the phone is not showing up. Let me show it again. Let's view. Sorry, let's view cast. Share my screen. Okay, share my screen, man. Okay, is it okay now? Let's view. Let's view. Come on. Sorry for the interruption, but there is. Yes, there is. You can see right now. Can you see now? My PNL and trading we both at the same time. I hope you can see it now. So we are going towards our TP. We have our. Is it disconnected again? Okay, so now we are fine now. Okay. So should we take our 50% of 50% of our trade? Sir, what lot size you use, sir? Well, I use 0.09. It doesn't depend on the lot size, but it depends on the risk you take. You can even use one lot, but if the risk is only $50, then it's okay. You can use only 0.01 lots, and if the risk is under your risk management, then it's okay. So I will just take a 50% of my trade off, so I can go break even with my last trades loss and be tension free. But let it get to $100, only then I will take out the 50% of my trades off. And if you have any question, just ask me. Well, as I said, this was a plus setup, and we have aimed for 1:5 RR trade. So let me take out half of my position, half here, and from it will be from trade close position half of 0.5 0.454. Why can't I 504? Okay, how much it is? 0.04. It's $44. Okay, so I am about break even with my balance, and we are in the trade. So just I am going to break even now with $16 in profit. Modify. Now I am about break even, and we are good. Now we will have at $150 in profit. That is 1.5%. So you want to know, I would say book 50% at 1 is to 2 RR, then break even and wait for final TP. And for SL, if it's 1 is to 1 RR, you can't tell your SL at 1 is to 1 RR. I hope you liked my Thunder fair value gap model, that it is working right now. The last time the confirmation was actually not there. I traded a wrong confirmation, that's why the trade went into loss. Ex- and the other reason that I closed my 50% too early was that I was in drawdown and I wanted to break even as soon as possible. So we are at our let's view is again disconnected. What is happening, man? Why does this keeps going disconnecting? mm, where is, why is my it is not connecting? Phone, let's view. It's okay now. Now you can see my phone. It somehow it just disconnects on its own, and I don't understand why it is happening. Yeah, thunder worked very well, thank you. And let's see if it gets to the target as it's intended to give 1 is to 5 RR. So right now if we get any kind of structured shift, that won't be a good sign for our trade, but if we hit SL, then we have already grabbed like $44 in profit and we are $90 above the break even. And I think that we will go to the TP because there is London high up there and SE high is there as well. You can see the SE high is there and London high is there as well. So we are waiting for the TP. Till until then, let's look at NAS 100. So what is happening at NAS 100? The NAS 100 has created an uh, this minus inversion fair value gap failed. This inversion fair value gap worked here. Let's clear this one and focus on this inversion fair value gap. I'm actually not trading indices right now because the markets are very uncertain in indices. This can drive the prices lower to this liquidity that is at 23,959. So if you are trading indices, then you might consider taking a short, but on gold we are long. And let me tell you one thing about my thunder fair value gap model. After you get an entry in thunder fair value gap model, one thing that will happen is after the entry, once you are above in the TP, the market will start to create a liquidity, but means it will start engineering liquidity. It will start engineering liquidity a lot, and you will get confused like why it is taking too long to go to the TP. But right at the 50% or 20% or 25%, it will start to create a ascending or descending triangle type of liquidity. But after then, it will surely go to the TP, and that is what the market is doing right now. So we wait for the TP, and we have already taken our partial, so we are in greens for the day. And remember to come back tomorrow morning. We will again stream from SCSSN because there is a thunder fair value gap at in SCSSN as well. In London session there is hardly any setup, so I don't like to trade London session, but Asia session is like a charm for me, especially the morning time. like uh, 8 a.m., like according to Indian time, 8 a.m., 7 a.m., that is a very good time to trade, because there is always a thunder model in the morning. And don't be uh, scared of this structure right here. It is just engineering liquidity, and it will surely go up. It happens every time with 100 fair value gap. Once the model is created, the market gives an impulse, then it starts to create an what I say, engineering of liquidity. It starts engineering liquidity and then goes to the target. The one concern that you might have is that it might take my SL, but it will surely go to take profit. Yeah, ASEA is a time of expansion. Like ASEA is expansion, London is kind of consolidation and taking out of ASEA high or low, and New York is like a expansion of all the other two. Like in New York session, the market just takes out the high and low of AC created during the ASEA and London session. So that's why I like ASEA session, because it's a time of expansion. And when the market then and when my model is created during a ASEA session in any direction, then I am assured that the market will just move, because it is the time of expansion. We are currently moving higher to the, as I had said, the market has engineered liquidity. It came down, took out the liquidity or the stop losses, which was below the 44,422, and now it is going up to the target. As I had said, after creating engineering liquidity, it will give impulse moves. Now it is giving that impulse moves. And we worry less, because the market will go to the TP now. There is no way the market is coming back down anymore. The market will surely go to TP, and here is its next liquidity. The market will take out this liquidity with an impulse move. It will not go like up down up down up down. It will take out this liquidity with an impulse move, and just wait for that. We are currently at like 1% in profit, 1% up in our target. And I will try to not trade this account outside of the streams. So only time I will be trading these accounts are during the streams. If you have any other questions, you can ask me. I will be very happy to answer. This one is our next liquidity, which is just for 4,434. And then we will look for London high. And right now we are in macro time frame, so we can expect impulse moves right now. So this is an macro time frame, 11:50 to 12:10 macro. 11:50 to 12:10 MACR macro. So we are in macro time frame. We can expect impulse price moves. in this uh, time frame. We can expect large moves during this time frame because we are in then a macro time frame, and macro time frame really works. I have tested it, I have experienced it, I have used it to pass the accounts evals many times. So just wait for the market. Let's look at hourly candle and see how it is printing. Well, the hourly candle is printing quite well. We are at like 7 minutes. We have like 7 more minutes till this hourly candle closes. After 7 more minutes, the hourly candle will close, and we want to be stay in this trade till then. What is kill zone? Okay, this is something very interesting. Like London kill zone, New York kill zone. It is a certain time frame before the market opens. Like if you talk about New York's kill zone, I know about it is from 7 a.m. to 10 a.m. Eastern time frame, and during this time frame market nearly actually goes for the liquidities and tries to take them out. And during and about London kill zone, it is like before the market opens, that is like 12 p.m. to 3 p.m. or 4 p.m., something like that. And about Asia kill zone, I have don't have much knowledge, but it must be like in the morning time when the market opens during the Tokyo session. During kill zones, the market goes for the liquidity and creates the liquidity, like London high, Asia high, Asia low, London high, London low. Market does this kind of things, and market also gives a lot of setups during this time. So if you learn to trade Asia session or kill zone sessions, be a very good profitable trader. I think our SL will be hit right now, so no worries at all. We have taken our partial, and we will be in the greens for the day. So yeah, it took out our SL. So no, we are still safe. We are still safe. We are still safe. Now, yeah, now. So now we are out. We are officially out of this trade now. We are officially out of this trade now. But we will observe the market like for let's say 20 more minutes and see how it performs. How much it gave? It gave like 1 is to 2.5 per hour, or close to 1 is to, yeah, 1 is to 2.5 per hour. But we were aiming for 1 is to 5 per hour. So let's see if the market comes back again with this fair value gap or not. And we are in currently in a profit of $36. Previous trade which was $25 of loss because of our. Okay, so what does Asia actually? It doesn't take the liquidity, it actually creates the liquidity and creates setups to trade. It does takes out the liquidity, but it is not that it will take out the liquidity of it is on that day for sure. Like yes, it is not like it will take the high or low of the another session, but it is like it will take out the liquidity which it has created during the session, like not the high, not the low, but the liquidities in between. It takes out the liquidities in between the sessions. So we are done for the day. We are in $35 in profit because of the previous loss we made, which was unnecessary trade, because we took this candle to be the high candle, and we took out this candle to be the body candle closer above the TSS, but we did not had any TSS at that time. The TSS was confirmed with this candle, and our thunder fair value gaps there confirmed, and we took this trade, went up to all the way up here, and then it came down, and we have another TSS here. If we go below this, then we might consider taking any trades. The market took out this liquidity. I should have closed here, but not a problem at all. Let's see how the thunder fair value gap behaves here, and see if the SL will be hit or not. We are already out of this trade right now. No, it does not take the liquidity of each session. It kind of takes the liquidity created in between the high and low created in the sessions. Like if the SCI has created a high and a low, then there will be a lot of liquidities in between. Then what the London session will do is take out the liquidity that is created in between. It is not like certain that it will take out the liquidity of the uh, high or low, but it will surely take out the liquidity in between, and in that process, uh, prior to that, it will create an model for some SMC models to trade on. Right now I think the market is again reacting from the 100 fair value gap, but I highly doubt that it will go to the target anymore, because my bias is still bearish, and to the Asia low. I am expecting a big fall to the Asia low. So I think I will close the trade here. If you have any questions, just ask me, and I will close the trade and the stream. And thank you, Global Cinema, for staying here for so long. I really liked your presence, and it was fun talking to you. So okay, I will close this stream now, and bye bye, and take care. And let me show you my final result. Of the day. Before closing the stream, let me show you the final result of the day. So this is, let's view cast. Okay, so I'm sure you should be able to see my screen now. So here is the total profit and loss of the day, that is $36. I know this is not much, but we will meet again in to next day on the Asia session. And thank you for being here, and goodbye. As you can see my screen. So bye bye, tata, have a nice day, and take care.